Good morning, Sophia. I love you. Good morning, everybody. My morning routine. Coffee. Every morning. And this is my favorite creamer. I still have a sick kid, and I have one that just got home from a hockey tournament, feeling a little under the weather also. So we are going to have a slow morning. My daughter's the only one who's gonna go to school today, and I'm gonna have a shower today. That's my plan. I have to go to the barn this morning to make sure the horses all have breakfast. So, how you feeling, my lovey? Just not bad, but not good, right? You feeling a little better than yesterday? That's good. But I'm happy to see that he's feeling a little better now. So I'm just gonna hang with him on the couch and drink my coffee. Good morning, doggies. Good morning. I'm gonna go check on the animals at the big barn. I'm still in my PJs. I threw on my barn coat, which is my favorite coat of all time. Good morning, Linus. Good morning. How are you, my handsome guy? Good morning. Good morning. There's a lot of poop in your paddock I have to clean. It's very beautiful out. Crisp day. Okay, let's do this. Good morning.
Well, hello, my treasure.
How are you?
I see that you put my blanket.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. You're gonna fill up your water, you little stinker. Quinny. Hi, Quinny boy. Do you have a new friend, Hendrix? Do you like your new friend? Let's get Sophie. Can you go? Thanks. We don't need your help. Get out of here. Okay. So I'm just gonna bring it to the other side. There you go. Okay. Now, oh shit. I came back inside because I haven't eaten yet. Came back inside so I could get myself situated. I need to eat some food, get changed because I'm still in my pajamas, brush my teeth because I haven't done that yet, then go outside and take care of what I gotta take care of. When you were in the hotel? It's gonna be yummy, guys.
Yes! Yes!
Alright, John wants some waffles. You wanna eat your waffles first or not? Okay, well, I've got some eggs and guacamole from last night and some shrimp left over from last night. So that's gonna be my breakfast. I also have a few waffles here. Cade, you're not gonna eat any, buddy? No? Okay. Dom, I'm so happy that you're home, my love. Dom's a shy guy. I need a shower, desperately. So I'm just gonna wash my face because I have a lot of stuff to do outside, like dirty farm work, so I'm not really going to have a shower yet. I will come in later. I will come in later and have a shower. Some jojoba oil on my face. And call it a day. Call it a morning. I just have the water running. Sorry, I know that. I've been loving the castor oil that I've been putting on my face. I feel like it really has been helping me. And what I am going to do, because I'm going to wash my hair, I'm going to use my hair oil. Can you see it? This one's Amazing Hair Savior Natural Hair Oil. So I'm just going to stick it on my scalp. Just, oh, wow. That's good luck. I've been doing this for the past couple weeks. I've been using a, what's it called? Like a soap bar, shampoo bar for my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm about to get real greasy over here. Like a natural one for the past probably 9 months to a year. And I don't know if my hair is any better. I almost feel like my hair's gotten worse. I feel like it's been breaking way more. Anyways, we're just gonna grease my hair up today. Give me a nice hair mask because I don't plan on going into public. I'm just gonna do it too because I'm not gonna worry about it so much. I'll just put in a blow pony. Okay, get some clothes on. Me and my greasy hair. Make my bed.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise.
Hello! Hello,
yeah.
Hi, girls. Hi, chickens. Here we go.
I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. I'm just curious. When did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams.
Don't have to do that. I'm gonna lick my hands. Don't lick my hands.
Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me.
And I'm gonna take this hot mess upstairs to have a shower. Gonna have a quick shower. Have some dinner. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm just kidding. Help yourself, guys. Not everybody at once. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My stomach hurts. You don't want food?